Hi, I'm Chris of Florida Drone Supply, and today we're going to be covering the Leica BLK2FLY before you fly content to get you up and running with your flying laser scanner. We're going to be covering the initial setup, which includes downloading the BLK2FLY app, charging the BLK2FLY batteries, LTE setup, powering on and connecting to the aircraft, and pre-flight checks. Downloading the app. One of the first steps when setting up your BLK2FLY is ensuring that you have the BLK2FLY Live app. It is important to mention that the BLK2FLY Live app is only supported using an iPad Pro. The app can be downloaded directly from the App Store, and once downloaded, you will want to open the app for pairing to the aircraft. Charging the batteries for the BLK2FLY is quite simple. There are four main components: the country-specific AC adapter power cable, the AC adapter, the battery adapter, and the smart battery, all of which are referenced within the included battery adapter quick start guide. The first step when charging is to connect your power cable to the AC adapter and plug it into a power outlet. There is a green LED indicator on the AC adapter to indicate the adapter is ready to go. Next, you will connect the battery adapter to the AC adapter. Before connecting your smart battery to the adapter, press the power button on the top of the battery to check the status prior to charging. If you do not see any status, reach out to Florida Drone Supply, as you may have a battery issue and that battery should not be charged until the issue has been resolved. Finally, we are going to connect the smart battery to the charging adapter. You will see the status of the battery prior to charging, then the battery will flash the current charge level until the battery is fully charged. The battery status LEDs will turn off when the battery is fully charged. Next step before you fly is inserting your selected carrier SIM card. And although this step is not necessary, as you could fly without LTE enabled, LTE does extend the range of the BLK2FLY beyond the Wi-Fi range of the iPad, which does aid in ensuring you maintain connectivity to the BLK2FLY the entire flight. The first step is having the BLK2FLY opened and on a flat surface, ensuring no batteries installed. Find the rubber SIM card cover on the left side of the BLK2FLY under where the battery is installed. Open that cover and place the SIM card with the gold contacts facing the center of the BLK2FLY. Once you hear the click, place the rubber cover back on the top of the SIM card slot. Next, we're going to put the BLK2FLY into pairing mode, and this is done by first installing a charged battery by sliding it along the rails until it is fully secure, and at which time you should hear an audible click, indicating that the battery is installed correctly. Next, we're going to press and hold the battery power button for approximately 10 seconds until the solid green battery status LEDs turn blue. At this point, you could release the power button and wait until the status collar around the LiDAR is flashing blue. At this point, we can select Pair BLK2FLY on the iPad. The app will begin searching for the BLK2FLY, then ask if you want to join the network. Select Join and the two will pair. You should see a notification on the screen that the pair was successful. And at this point, we will navigate in the app to Live View and wait for the BLK2FLY to complete its startup. At this point, you are now connected and ready to fly. Thank you for watching this video on the Leica BLK2FLY. If you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.